That's a nice grip.
This is his favorite fucking thing to do. Fight.
Oh, almost.
Good boy, Fang. That's all. That's all. Watch it. Boy. Good boy. Go, boy. Bring it back. Bring it back. Good boy. Good boy. Bring it back. Good boy. Come on. Good boy. Good boy. Yes. Good boy, Fang.
He pulled me. Whoa, he pulled me in that. This is
pretty damn.
yeah. He ain't closing his eyes either.
Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Bring it back, Fang. Bring it back. Go. Bring it back. Bring it back.
All right, see if we can add him. Good boy. That's a good boy. Yeah.
Good boy.
Now you hear him. All right, Fang, I'll give you this one more.
Give you a break. Yeah, he took a bamboo for the first time.
Oh, there we go. Good boy.
Normally they just release.
Watch him.
He held that bitch.
That's all. That's all. Watch him, Fang. Watch him. Watch him. Watch. Good.
Do you feel like you have more control? Yes. That's why. This is what all the animals get their control of.
Good. Whoa. Yes, good. Whoa. Good.
Whoa. That's pressure. Woo, he crushed that.
You did that.
Now I see why the Carnario has the biggest bite. Oh, I felt that. He loved that arm. I was like, if that was for real, he'd have broke my arm. Yeah. Now I see why. Woo.
Oh, good boy. Yes, good boy. This is all he wants to do. That's why I was like, man.
Really?
Wakes up and boy wants to play cover. That's all he wants to do is play cover.
It's like fighting a little bear.